What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Matic. We met our wave 3 target and we're continuing to push up here. Currently sitting at 63 cents, up 4.7 on the day. Sitting a market cap 4.92 billion, 24-hour volume, 476 million. Excuse me. I just had some bacon honey biltong. If you ever come to South Africa, make sure you try biltong. It's literally the bee's knees. So we're going to jump into the video. Big shout out to Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can sign up through my referral and grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback and crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into Matic. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. Now I've been away a couple days because I was switching Airbnbs. And you can go to my last Matic video and see the people that said, oh, there was no wave 4 pullback. You don't know what you're talking about. But there was a wave 4 pullback. To measure the wave 4 pullback within the larger wave 3, take your fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3. And you're looking for a minimum target, the 0.236 on the Fibonacci. Where did we bounce off of? The 0.236, a perfect wave 4 pullback. And then we saw that wave 5 to complete our wave 3. Now to measure the larger wave 3 to wave 4 pullback, same thing. Take your Fibonacci from the bottom of wave 2, this Roman numeral in white here, up to your top of your wave 3, and you're looking for a minimum target of the 0.236. Where did we come down to? The 0.236. We didn't quite touch it. But this could be the end of the wave 4, and now we're seeing that final wave 5. And how do you measure your wave 5? Did the lights just go out again? You have to be shitting me, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, so to measure your wave 5, you can take the trend-based fib extension. I don't know if it's gonna work though, because there's no, oh, it does work. You can take the trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of the wave 3 down to the bottom of the wave 4, and you're looking for a 0.618 extension of the wave 3 for the wave 5. So that's currently coming in at 71 cents. The other way that you can measure it is let me take this out. You can take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of the first wave. So you can come all the way down from the bottom of the first wave. Yeah, it's not letting me use my tool here because the power, they have load shedding here. The power just went out, came back on. They have a generator. But I just lost internet connection, so just give me a second here, guys. It should be all good now. So the second way to measure your wave 5, take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 1, and your minimum target is a 100% extension of wave 1. So if we look at the 1 here, the 100% extension, it's also coming in at 70 cents. And the second way to measure it, as I just showed you, from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3 to the bottom of wave 4, and you're looking for a 0.618 extension, which is also coming in right at 70 cents. And it lines up with this level of resistance. 67 to about 73 cents should be your target for your wave 5. If we start to push up here, you could see an overextended wave 3, but this does look corrective to me. So if we see that final wave 5, it will take you up to that 70 to like 73, 74% price target. Everything we've been predicting on the channel has been coming to fruition, which is absolutely incredible. We predicted the bottom, 32 cents, a 5-wave structure to the downside, and we perfectly predicted this 5-wave structure to the upside. Now, if this is still corrective and we have a bearish divergence, we're creating a higher high, lower high in the RSI. So if we fail to make it up to that, 70 to 73 cent price target, and we pull back, we may be still looking at a wave 4 pullback, waiting for that final wave 5. We'll have to see how high Matic pushes up here, if it pushes all the way up to the wave 5 target. But if we do pull back, then we may be still going through that corrective wave 4, looking for that final wave 5. Now, if we look at Matic here, we were looking at this inverse head and shoulders. We beautifully met our target. We crushed it on our trade here. We had a 70% move from our entry. We got in at 0.356 was our average price, and we were taking profits along the way. 70% move from our entry. Absolutely incredible spot trade that we absolutely crushed in the Discord, as well as we're making some juicy profits right now on ADA. And a lot of our members made some extremely good profits here, 170%, 115%, 71%, 77%. With our trade calls here. Recently we had a call on Gala, 271% here. Just absolutely crushed it. So you can sign up through the Patreon, $10 a month. So we're seeing a nice push here with a lot of the coins. ADA is up 5%, APE 15%. So we're starting to see a bit of a push here. OGN 8% as well, and Sand as well absolutely exploded. So just watch these levels of resistance here, about 69, 70 cents. See all the cluster of resistance? That's where we have been predicting the price is going to come to on the channel here, and it looks like it's coming to fruition, which is incredible here. So this could be your wave 4 pullback. If you see a nice impulsive wave up to, you know, 70 to 73 cents, then look for that wave 5. But if we get rejected here, we come down, then we can be still going through that corrective wave 4, waiting for that final wave 5. So that's basically it for Matic. Big shout out to the Discord, making some juicy profits with our signals here at the $10 membership. Everything else is accessible at $350 USD, including 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.